Good morning, students. Today, in our English literature class, let's proceed with our next chapter, chapter number 13, that is Rain, Rain, Go Away. Let's begin our story. This is a story about Sakharov family whose strange behavior and mysterious manners keep their neighbors perplexed. Perplexed means confused or surprised. Let's begin the story. There, she is again George, said Lillian Wright, standing next to the window. Mrs. Lillian Wright said to her husband that she is again here. Who? Asked her husband, trying to watch the ball game on the TV. While watching the ball game on the TV, her husband asked about whom she was talking about. Mrs. Sakharov, she said, the new neighbor. Means she said to her husband that she was talking about Mrs. Sakharov, the new, neighbor. Oh, always sunbathing. Sunbathing means lying in the sun to get some energy or vitamins from the sun rays. Always sunbathing. I wonder where her boy is. He's a nice boy, quiet and well behaved. She said that, Mrs. Lillian, that she's always sunbathing and she's wanted to know where his boy was, and he was a nice, well behaved boy. He is 10 too. I wish Tommy would make friends with him. She said he is age of 10 and she thinks that her son Tommy should make friendship with that boy. But it's hard with the Sakharovs. They keep to themselves means they are self-centered person. It's very hard to mingle with them. They are self-centered person. I don't even know what Mrs. Sakharov does. She said, I don't know what's the work profile of Mrs. Sakharov. It's not really anyone's business what he does. Her husband said, we should not interfere in anybody's business that what is his or her work field. Well, in any case, I think we should make an effort to get to know them. Mrs. Lillian said that they are our neighbors and we should make some effort to know something or the other about them. As we know, we should be well acquainted, well known to our neighbors. You said you called when they moved in. Moved in means when they became their neighbors. I said hello, but that was it. She is so odd. So odd means not friendly in nature. She is always looking at the sky and she has never been out when it's the least bit cloudy. Mrs. Lillian says that she never comes out of the house. She always watches the sky and a bit of cloudiness stops her from coming out of the house. Once when the boy was out playing, she called him, shouting that it was going to rain. Mrs. Sakharov called her boy inside because she said it was going to rain. I overheard and hurried to get the wash on the line, and it was broad sunlight with just some regular clouds. Mrs. Lillian said when I overheard this, I ran outside to pick the clothes which were on the line, but when I saw that it was a clear sunlight. Well, according to Tommy, their boy said they are from Arizona. Arizona is a place in US. So they probably don't know rain clouds from any other kinds. Her husband said that, sorry, Lillian says that they are from Arizona and they don't know what clouds are because Arizona is a dry land area. A few days later, Lillian greeted George jubilantly, happily, in a joyous manner. When he came home, when her husband came home, "We are going out with Sekaros to Murphy's Park tomorrow." She informed her husband George that they are going to the park with their new neighbors, Mrs. Sekaro's family. How did it happen? Her husband was surprised that how this happened that Sakaros got ready to go park with them. "I just went up to their house and rang the bell, and she didn't kick you out." Mrs. George said that she went to the house of Sakaros and just she rang the bell. And Mr. George said she didn't throw you out of the house. "No, she was very sweet, invited me in, knew how I was, said she was glad I had come to visit." Means she greeted me well. She asked me how I was. Means she was very happy that I was with her. "And I suggested we go to Murphy's Park so that the children could have fun, but you should see her home." Means Mrs. George said Mrs. Sakro, that they should go to the park, Murphy Park, so that the children should get some fun over there. "Please spare me the details," Mr. George said. "Explain me clearly." But Lillian paid no attention to George. She went into the details of the color scheme, the bedspreads, and also the closet size. Means she explained each and every part of Sakaro's house, even the bed sheets and each and every minute details. "And I have never seen any place so spotless." Means it was a tidy place. "I asked for water and she held the glass underneath the tap and poured slowly so that not one drop fell in the sink." Mrs. Lillian said when she asked for a glass of water, she bought a glass of water without wasting a single drop of water in the sink. "Did she agree to come with us right off?" he asked. Means she directly agreed. This was the question asked by Mr. George. She first asked her husband about the weather forecast, and he said that the newspaper mentioned that it would be fair tomorrow, but that he was waiting for the latest report on the radio. She said that her husband said that the newspaper said the weather tomorrow will be fine, but he is waiting for the latest information about the weather. Anyway, she called up the weather bureau for the latest and called it out to her husband that they said they would go, but they had phoned us if there were any unexpected changes in the weather. She said that when she asked the weather department that tomorrow the weather will be fine, they got an positive reply or response from the other side. Yes, the weather will be fine, and if there is a changes in weather, they will confirm them over the phone. So the Sakaros agreed that they will go to Murphy's Park so that the children can have some fun. Let's stop till here. We'll proceed further in our next class. Till then, thank you.